Hello, YouTube. Jeremy Martin 72 here, and I'm going to do a how-to on ASCII and Unicode characters in general. When people talk about ASCII, they're usually talking about symbols that come together to make artwork, or just symbols in general. But honestly, everything on your keyboard is basically ASCII. So this just typing anything is ASCII, no matter what it is. If it's a symbol, it is ASCII. But most people are, when they bring that up, they're talking about either like smiley faces or stuff like that, and basic symbols created out of symbols, right? It's just we're going to open up our settings, which you can do with the hamburger key on your keyboard or by touching the bottom right hand corner of your screen and then touching the gear icon. And we're going to scroll down to advanced and accessibility. And then we're going to go to manage accessibility features. And we're going to scroll to enable on-screen keyboard. All right, and in the bottom tray, you're going to see that you now have a new button for the keyboard. Let's go ahead and close the settings out. And you just push that button right there, and it opens up your keyboard. And if you want to have it full or small like that, that's how you toggle back and forth on that, just by pushing that toggle right there. But if you want some quick, easy ASCII symbols, you go down here and you hit the smiley button, right? And you're gonna go all the way over to here where it's like I guess that's like a happy face. Now this is usually what some people think of when you talk about ASCII, but if you scroll over some more, it starts getting more of what people are looking for. They're looking for stuff like this sometimes, or they're looking for something like this, and especially with special characters like that, upside down triangles, things like that is what they're really looking for. In reality, all of it is ASCII. Now, let me close that out. All right. There is another way of doing it. I mean, personally, whenever I need to do ASCII or Unicode or something, I just go to Wikipedia because they already got the stuff up here, right? And it gives you what all the code numbers are and everything else. I like this myself, and it has all of the U plus code to bring up whatever codes you got, and they got U plus for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, all of that is ASCII. But this is usually what people are talking about here. They're talking about these codes, the C inside of the circle, or the R, the registered sign, the R inside. Okay, so to do the registered sign, it is 00AE. So let's open up our something that we can type into. And what we're going to do, and I'm going to show you this on this keyboard here, but I'm actually just going to go ahead and type it on the actual physical keyboard. You're going to want to do hold down Control and Shift and U at the same time. All right, so Control Shift U, and you'll see the U pop up right there, right? And then we're going to get 00A9. So 00A9, and then hit enter. Let's try that again. 00A9. There you go. Oh, when I flipped over screens, it pulled it out of the quick way. So let's try that again. So you go Control Shift U. You hold them all down at the same time, and the U will pop up on the screen. And then you type in whatever code it has on your Unicode, and they got Unicode 8, 16. They got all kinds of different bit depths. So 00A9, and then you hit enter, and it switches right over to the key, or the symbol, I mean. All right, so let's close that out there. Or, as you can tell, you can see where I got this thing highlighted, right? Here, check this out. You want to make it real quick and easy, and there's no fuss. If you have a trackpad on your Chromebook, you take one finger and hold down on the trackpad. You take another finger and push and drag. And there you highlight that one spot right there. Now you're going to do Control C and you copy it. And go away. And then you come in here and you push Control V. And there you go. You just copied and pasted the yen. I guess that's the yen symbol. Sure looks like the yen symbol. I wish you'd quit doing that. All right, let's open Chrome back up again and get rid of you. And it does the same thing. So, I mean, if you want to find all the symbols, just type in Unicode in Google. I suggest going to Wikipedia. As you can tell by looking at the right there, you can see that there is a lot of codes. A lot of codes. You can sit there and just copy and paste them, or you can just use the quick code system. And I suggest it. I don't say that Wikipedia is the end all be all of information, but I do like to say that it is the front door of information. It gives you references and it gives you great ideas on where to start and where to go after that. And of course, you always got on the Chrome Web Store, they have a Unicode extension that you can put right up here into your Chrome OS. Personally, I don't care too much for it, but if you want it, have at it. And my brothers and sisters, if you ever have any questions, just use the Omnibox on your Chrome, the address box, whatever it is you want to call it. It's all the same thing. That is the same thing as this right here. And you can talk to it like, and ask it a question just like it's a human. And if it doesn't give you what you want, think of a better way to reword your question. And it's the same thing here. Type down your question on how you want. Let's see. ASCII Unicode for yen. There you go. The Unicode point is U plus OA5 yen sign. And then it'll give you HTML. And I mean, that's where I'm usually doing my symbols is HTML. I prefer it that way. And I've done it for the longest time. I do web development. Well, at least I used to. And Wikipedia is always a good starting spot. And my brothers and sisters, be safe, have fun, and Google on.